Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone XS runs the latest iOS that supports Apple Intelligence. This ensures feature stability and permissions. Once done, enable Siri, background app refresh, microphone and location so Intelligence can analyze context. Open Settings, go to Intelligence or Siri and search and toggle Apple Intelligence on. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to grant access when prompted. Without those permissions, the assistant cannot surface personalized suggestions or process audio for on-device features. Now you train and tailor responses so Intelligence fits your workflow. Start by reviewing privacy and personalization settings. Allow on-device learning so suggestions improve locally. Next, customize voice and language and select concise or detailed response preferences to suit tasks. Then test with 3 prompt types: a message draft, a photo description, and a calendar request. Observe how context-aware replies change. If responses feel generic, refine personalization options and repeat tests until suggestions reflect your tone and priorities. Finish by integrating Apple Intelligence into daily tasks. Accept inline suggestions in messages, ask it to summarize mail, or generate captions for photos. Once comfortable, build shortcuts or automations that call Intelligence for recurring tasks like summaries or reminders. If it stops responding, first reboot the iPhone, then confirm permissions and background app refresh. Make sure iOS is current. As a final step, reset Intelligence in settings or reinstall updates. This clears caches and often resolves lingering issues without erasing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.